asuntoskeittiö Tampereen Linnanhelmi.
Yes, today it's the 29th of April 2022 and we have Tuluskatu 4 staircase here in Leinola close to Leinola here in Tampere. One of the suburbs here in Finland. Capacity is 8 berths or 630 grams. We have also filled the building 2 staircases A and B, and this is one of the ones in staircase in the building 4. There's also the staircases A and B, but they're locked off. We just got inside here, managed to do it. So maybe those 2 other things we can do that sometime later. It's built by Sodimas, and Sodimas, it's rare, even though it's generic, but still one drive in there. It's simpler and that. We imported Sodimas here, and the serial number is 3478. It's going to be inspected this year, 2022. It was built in 2001, finished in late 2001.
Yeah.
And, turned 20 years old in last year, 2021. 12 floors. Sounds like they opted automatic door here.
Yeah.
Technical equipment.
Yeah. Inspected by QA inspector, maintained by Koni. That's